Hello everyone. Let's dive into the Panasonic HC-X1500, a compact and lightweight pro camcorder that packs a serious punch. This camcorder is designed for those who need high-quality UHD 4K 60 imaging and the convenience of Wi-Fi live streaming, making it a versatile tool for both main camera work and behind-the-scenes capture. The HC-X1500 records in UHD 4K at broadcast-compatible frame rates, ensuring it fits seamlessly into existing broadcast workflows. Its 2.5-inch 8.29mm MOS sensor consistently delivers stunning UHD 4K resolution, while the Venus processing engine expertly scales the 4K image for HD output via 3G SDI or HDMI. One of the standout features is the built-in Leica Dicamar lens, offering a 24x 25 to 600 millimeters, 35 millimeters equivalent zoom range. For those needing even more reach, the digital iZoom feature extends the zoom up to 48x. This impressive zoom capability provides incredible flexibility for capturing a wide range of shots. The camcorder also includes built-in, selectable 1.4, 1.16, and 1.64 ND mechanical filters. These filters allow for quick and easy adjustments in varying lighting conditions, ensuring optimal exposure without needing to fumble with external filters. Framing shots is a breeze with the fold-out, tilting 3.5 LCD touchscreen. This feature provides a clear and adjustable view, making it easy to compose shots from various angles. In the bundle, you get two 64GB memory cards, a filter kit, a telephoto lens, a wide-angle lens, a cleaning kit, and a case. This comprehensive package ensures you're ready to shoot in virtually any situation.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.